Hi everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. And today, my neighbor Cannon and I will be making cauliflower mash.
Does that taste like mashed potatoes?
Yes, it does. Very good. Here's what we'll be needing.
Cauliflower, butter, salt, and pepper. Step 1, steam the cauliflower.
You can use fresh or frozen cauliflower and it will be steamed for about 6 to 8 minutes.
Step 2, drain and season your cauliflower.
Great! We've already drained our cauliflower, so we're going to season it. What do we need, Cannon?
Butter.
Perfect. Here you go. We always recommend using grass-fed or organic butter. Great job. And next, pink Himalayan salt. What do you think? Is that enough? You want to add some more? A little bit? Good job. Last but not least, fresh ground pepper.
Step 3, mash it.
Great job, Cannon. So you just mash that up, and just like that, your mashed cauliflower is ready.